Welcome back to our financial education series. In this video, we're going to talk about something critical for everyone, no matter your age: financial planning. Ever wondered how people manage their money and achieve financial goals? That's the magic of a solid financial plan. Let's dive in. What is financial planning? So, what exactly is financial planning? It's the process of setting financial goals, developing strategies to achieve them, and making informed decisions about your money. It's like creating a roadmap for your financial future. Whether you want to save for a vacation, buy a home, or even retire comfortably, financial planning helps you get there. Why is financial planning important? Now, why is financial planning so important? Without a plan, it's easy to overspend, fall into debt, or not save enough for your future. A good financial plan helps you stay on track, manage your income, and build wealth over time. It also prepares you for unexpected events, like medical emergencies or job loss. Steps to financial planning. Let's break down the 5 key steps to start your financial planning journey. 1. Set your financial goals. First, decide what you want to achieve. 1. Do you want to buy a car, save for college, or start investing? 2. Create a budget. Next, track your income and expenses. A budget helps you see where your money is going and what you can save. 3. Build an emergency fund. Always keep money set aside for emergencies. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. 4. Invest for the future. Investing is key to growing your wealth. Start small and diversify your investments in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. 5. Review and adjust. Lastly, review your financial plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your plan. Benefits of financial planning. When you follow a financial plan, you gain peace of mind knowing you're on the right track. You can achieve your goals faster, avoid unnecessary debt, and be ready for whatever life throws at you. So, start planning your financial future today. Whether you're just starting to earn money or have been working for years, it's never too late to create a financial plan. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and lessons. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode, where we'll explore the different types of financial markets.